With the support and hard work of Singaporeans, we have managed to keep COVID-19 infections under control, and we have now reached a key milestone in our journey. Prime Minister has just announced that we will be entering Phase 3 on 28th December. I would like to emphasize that this is not a time yet to celebrate, but a time for us to take stock of our efforts in managing the outbreak and prepare ourselves for the next phase of the journey. Singapore saw our first imported case on 23rd January and our first cases of local transmission on 4th of February. We stood up our contact tracing teams, expanded our testing capacity, introduced safe distancing measures, and tightened border controls. Despite our best efforts, we saw several clusters of infection, including among migrant workers in the dormitories. The number of cases rose. At the peak, we saw more than 1,400 new cases a day, and that was in April. We had to mobilize many government agencies, including the Singapore Armed Forces, the Home Team, as well as the private sector and volunteers through the SG Healthcare Corps to respond quickly to the evolving situation. Second Minister for Manpower, Dr. Leng, will elaborate further on our management of migrant workers shortly. In many countries around the world, healthcare systems were quickly overwhelmed, leading to high mortality rates. We took actions to avoid this situation. We rapidly built community care facilities so that our hospitals can focus on providing care to those who require emergency and intensive care. We added more than 14,000 beds at our community care facilities at the peak. Testing is a key strategy in our fight against COVID-19. Our testing capacity has increased from about 2,000 a day in February to more than 50,000 a day now. Even as we embark on Phase 3, the journey is not yet over. The sobering truth is that if we let our guard down now, our painstaking efforts over these months could be quickly evaporated. So let us keep up our fight and keep one another safe. If we stay united, we will prevail and emerge stronger as a nation.